wonders to make.
Kuringana na Ngavana KIARIE Badilisha, muigana wa ciringi mirioni 5.2 ciarigairwo arutwo 329 no nginyagia riu gutire cukuru iheanite macokio ma uria mbeca ici ciahuthikire.
Were these students, one, from NYANDARUA county? Two, did they receive these monies in the books of those respective schools?
These 321 students are purported to have entered classes in January, and the audit was took place in October. So even as we write and we start investigating, there is no justification where children who enter classes in January and the auditing is in October not to have admission numbers.
Kamiti no ruireda kumenya namba cia arutwo aya iria maheirwo makiingira macukuru matiganite ikiuria macukuru maria amerikanite kwamukira mbeca ici manyitanire na thirikari ya Badilisha kuheana macokio ona ihenya.
I agree. The governor was not the governor when this 5 million, and it's not little money, Honorable Chair. 5,204,000 was, we don't want to say that it was not spent. It was not well spent. It was not prudently used. What is not there is a query that has been raised by the Auditor General that the beneficiaries are not known.
A deeper and a precise answer need to be given to Senate as to why a child, even if they were to be there, because the bursary, total amount of bursary is 57 million. How did all these other students have admission number and these 29 didn't? Those questions need answers.
Na niguo kunyerokia uheani wa basari na waragania, Badilisha ugite thirikari yake ni higite imwe ya kaunti igiriria ciahuthikaga mbere ya wathani wake niguo mbeca ciothe cia arutwo ikaumaga gikabo kimwe.
It is in the case that the county does not have this data. Point blank is that this money was diverted for other personal use.
This scenario of two bank accounts, what is the current scenario? Have you now reduced it to one account or is still two accounts?
These are things that I found, yeah, and I'm trying to rearrange them. And I promise the Senate, through your advice, I think there's direction to go.
Badilisha thiete na mbere kuga thirikari yake ndibatie gukuithio murigo uyu akiuga ona kuri mathabu mangi ma mbeca cia uthaitiri hindi ya ikereka ria Ngavana KIMEMIA mataraithirana.
We have done our bit. It may not be adequate, but still for this question to be answered precisely and comprehensively, the person who caused that, who was there, presided over that, need also to be questioned.
Kamiti no riyugite ni gwicurania kana ni gwita KIMEMIA taririe wona ya thuthuria ripoti ciothe cia mathabu ma kaunti no ya Nyandarua.
Those particular issues, in the wisdom of the committee, we will make a decision on who is going to respond to them. Whether it will be appropriate to invite the former governor to appear before us.
Girifotera KAMIMI TV, retore kwa ni Mwaura wa Ndung'u.